Hello everyone, this is Kendall Trotter, Las Vegas Realtor, always working my hardest to bring you quality Las Vegas real estate content. Today we are visiting Oak Creek at Sedona Ranch by Century Communities. This is Plan 2288. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but can be optioned up to a 5-bedroom. So we enter the house here, turn to the right. First thing we have is a powder room on the left, half bath. And this is your only bathroom on the first floor. Now we're going to take a look at the study, which they have it modeled as, but this would be one of your bedrooms if you chose to make it a 5-bedroom. It's a decent sized room, probably about a 12 by 12, maybe 12 by 14. We'll round the corner here, and then we will enter the great room. It's funny how most builders are going to this design. They don't have separate living and family rooms anymore. They call it a great room design, and it's the kitchen and the living room are all kind of in together as the dining room, as you can see there. This is a pretty nice and open flowing floor plan, I thought. I really thought that blue wall would kind of clash, but it's actually kind of working. Nice kitchen with the center island, which most builders are going for now. It's so popular, and I actually really like that feature. Nice cozy fireplace with a TV mounted above it. Now we'll head to the upstairs. We'll speed it up here a little bit so you don't have to have the pain of walking up the stairs. So we get up to the upstairs. Right to the right, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Check out this good sized walk-in closet in this bedroom. That's pretty nice. This bedroom's about a 12 by 12, so good adequate size. Full bath here with dual sinks undermounted, and those are actually included in the base price, the undermounted sinks, so that's nice. This would be the 3rd bedroom, once again about 12 by 12, with another walk-in closet. So that's a nice feature. Walk-in closets in all the bedrooms. So around the corner here, and we see an upstairs loft, which if you optioned it for the 5th bedroom, you would not have a loft there, you would have another bedroom. Good sized laundry room here too. Look how deep this is. I thought that was pretty impressive for a laundry room anyway. Now let's take a look at the master. Decent sized master, not overly huge, but it definitely get the job done. And a nice big master bathroom. One thing I liked about this is how they had the dual sinks separated on each side of the bathroom. Here's your potty room with a door. So you have a sink there, a shower, and another sink. So that is a shower only. Decent sized closet. Nothing to write home about for a master bedroom closet, but it's decent size. So around the corner here, we'll get another good look at the loft here which I love lofts, and many builders are going to an upstairs loft. It's so convenient. You got a large family and the kids want to play their video games and you want to watch the game downstairs, you can always put them up there. Everybody's happy. So that's about it, guys. I appreciate you going on this tour with me. I'm Kendall Trotter, Las Vegas Realtor. If you're interested in this home or any other home, feel free to reach out to me and be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.